Greetings, and welcome to this tutorial on the Poimapper mobile app. Poimapper is a mobile data collection and field mapping platform used for various purposes, including data collection, surveys, inspections, and mapping in the field. The Poimapper mobile app is available on Android, iOS, and Windows 10 platforms. To use the app, you need to be a registered user. You must be assigned to a group and the group must have an active form list. Once you have satisfied these requirements, you can download and log into the app. Enter the username, password, and account name. Select the option Keep Me Signed In. The app will remember the credentials and limit the need to interact with the login screen every time you access the app. In this video, we will review each of the features, folders, and their functions. Once you log into the app, click on the menu button. You will see the following folders: Shared Folder, Ready for Upload, Drafts, Outbox, Settings for Download Filters, Settings, and User Manual. When you log into the app for the first time, you will be taken to the Shared Folder, which contains the Collect New Data button. Select from any of the listed forms. This will open an instance of the form. After providing responses to the fields of the form, click Save to create a data point. This will send the data point to the outbox, where after successful upload it will be moved to the Shared Folder. In the Shared Folder, Ready for Upload, and Drafts, there is an option to create new form instances by clicking on the plus sign. Another way to create a data point is by clicking on the Map View button. This is a feature that enables users to view the location distribution of collected data points. After opening the map view, click on the plus button at the bottom of the page. A location icon will be displayed. Move it to the desired position, click on Add Point, and select a form. Sometimes, there are scenarios where uploading a data point automatically is not possible, or not the desired outcome. For example, collecting data in poor coverage areas, or if there is a need to review data before upload. To save a data point as a draft, click on the menu button in the form. A list of options will pop up, select the Save as Draft option. To view all your drafts, go to the Drafts page. Another way of temporarily saving a data point is the Outbox feature. When you click Save, the data point is sent to and stays in the outbox. This applies to situations where the user is unable to automatically upload data. If you would like to review data before uploading it, Poimapper has the Ready for Upload folder. Go to the Settings page and turn off the Automatic Upload option. With this option turned off, clicking Save on a data point will send it to the Ready for Upload folder. Here items will be stored temporarily until the user is ready to upload. Click on the green Upload bar. The data points will be sent to the Outbox folder and then to the Shared Folder if successfully uploaded. When working with Poimapper, it is possible sometimes that not all previously uploaded data points will be visible on the Shared Folder. Some of the factors that could cause this outcome are: 1. Data points have been created on the portal. 2. Data points created by someone else in your team require your feedback. 3. Data points were created a long time ago. To deal with these scenarios, Poimapper has the Settings for Download Filters page that gives users the ability to download data points and tasks of any of the active form templates. This feature gives users the ability to do a blanket download or a more specific download of data points. To do a blanket download, keep the Selective Download option off. Click on Select Form and choose All or choose the specific form you want. Click on Filter by Users and either select My Data Only, All, or the specific user whose data point you want to download. Click on the Download button and wait for the download process to conclude. Once complete, click on the Home button to view the downloaded data points in the Shared Folder. Note, depending on the defined access rights given when creating user accounts, downloading data points for users other than yourself may not be possible. If you want to do a more specific download, turn on Selective Download, select a form, select a user in the Filter by Users, and click on the Download button. The app will redirect you to the Download Data page, and all the forms with their data points will be displayed. Click on the desired form template and search or scroll through the list until you find the desired form and select it. Once satisfied, click on the Download button. The data point will be displayed in the Shared Folder. For both selective or blanket downloads, you have the option to download images. The default option is small, however you do have the option to not download images, or you can download them in other sizes. Poimapper has several settings that allow you to customize the app experience. To access the Settings page, Click on the menu button and navigate to the Settings option. Click to open the Settings page. You will interact with the following features. 1. Forms. If there are any changes to the form templates, that is, if there are fields added or deleted, this feature will automatically check and verify that the form template is up to date. 2. Photos. Here the user has the option to change the size and quality of images that are saved and downloaded from the app. There is also an option to save pictures to the gallery. 3. Location. There is an option to turn on automatic GPS location and specify the location accuracy from a range of 10 to 100 meters and a GPS timeout of 1 to 60 minutes. 4. Automatic upload. This option enables users to automatically upload their data points when they click on the Save button. If turned off, clicking Save sends the data point to the Ready for Upload page for manual upload. 5. Automatic reverse geocoding. This feature is useful for forms that capture the address of a location. It takes location data, latitude and longitude, and returns the street address of a given location. 6. Download new data automatically. This feature enables the app to download updates made to a data point in case there are any changes. 7. Logs. Should you face challenges with the app, feel free to click on the Upload Debug Logs option and contact us for assistance. In case you need further assistance, do not hesitate to contact us. Click on Support and Feedback to get our contact information. Click on the User Manual option to access documentation concerning Poimapper and its features. Poimapper gives users the opportunity to send reports of each individual data point as a document, in PDF and Word formats. Users also have the option to send reports as URLs. To send reports as documents, click on the checkbox next to the document and click Send. Click on the checkbox next to send the report in PDF, in case this is the preferred format. To send reports as URL, click on the checkbox next to URL and click Send. The app will then take you to an email screen where you can share the report with yourself or any interested third parties. Go to your email to view the sent reports. Thanks for watching. If you need any assistance, email us at support@poimapper.com.